Hello, my name is Andrew Monk. I'm founder and chief executive of ioLight Limited. All over the world, scientists are trying to monitor the impact of climate change. They travel to the most fragile ecosystems and look at the smallest animals and plants in the world. They need an ioLight microscope. Last year, National Geographic went to 5,300 meters on Mount Everest and made a movie with one of these.
Andrew and I founded ioLight in 2014. With Crowdcube funding, we've patented the only portable microscope able to see cells. The microscope displays 1 micron resolution images on a mobile phone so they can be easily shared with collaborators anywhere.
Since foundation, we've sold 300 units to universities, Bayer, USDA, the Eden Project and many other customers. The microscope's been to every continent on the world. It's been to Alaska, Antarctica, Kazakhstan, and now the highest science on the surface of the Earth on Mount Everest at 5,300 meters. All of this has been done with just 2 people. But now we know the market, it's time to scale the business properly, hire a proper sales team, and we need your help to do this. Please invest in ioLight on Crowdcube now. Thank you.